Hanuman's Guru Dakshina. Hanuman mastered everything under the able guidance of the sun god. Now, it was time for him to offer his Guru Dakshina. Hanuman said, "O respected teacher, with your blessings, I have learned the path of virtue, honesty, as well as my responsibilities. What can I offer you in return?" At first, Surya refused to accept anything. But when Hanuman insisted, he said, "Take care of Sugriv. He is my incarnation and the younger brother of Bali, the king of monkeys. I foresee that he will soon fall into trouble and will need your aid." Hanuman promised to do so and went back to his parents. After some days, Kesari sent him to Pampapur to gain knowledge into politics. It was here that Hanuman first met Sugriv. The two forged an everlasting friendship. When Sugriv asked Hanuman whether he could accompany him and be the chief minister in his court, Hanuman readily accepted. Hanuman enters Shaniluk. After imparting all knowledge to Hanuman, Surya gave him one more responsibility. He wanted Hanuman to bring his wayward son, Shanidev, back on the right track. "Shani is the cause of my sorrow now. Can you help me mend his ways and bring him back to me?" Surya asked. Hanuman nodded and set off immediately. He reached Shaniluk without any hindrance. There, he requested Shanidev to change his ways and reconcile with his father, the sun god. Shani was indeed astonished at Hanuman's bravery. But he spoke in a haughty voice. "Are you aware of my past? How dare you come here and speak all this rubbish? I am invincible. You will be destroyed within no time." Hanuman smiled, but refused to move. "O Shanidev, I have come to your kingdom to fetch you and present you before Lord Surya, your father. I won't go from here without you," he said. Hanuman punishes Shani. When Hanuman challenged Shanidev, his anger knew no bounds. He stared at Hanuman and tried to burn him, but in vain. The gods had bestowed many boons upon Hanuman in his childhood. As a result, he had tremendous strength. Lord Surya had blessed Hanuman with the Garima Siddhi, by which he could change his size into gigantic proportions. Shani looked for ways to defeat Hanuman. Suddenly, an idea struck him. He sat on Hanuman's head. But Hanuman immediately increased his size, due to which Shani got pressed between the ceiling and Hanuman's head. Shani requested Hanuman to set him free. Shani expressed his gratitude by promising Hanuman that he would never harass the devotees who were devoted to Hanuman. "I will never trouble those who pray to you," he said. Hanuman then took Shani to Lord Surya, who was overjoyed to see his son after such a long time. Sugriv lands in trouble. Hanuman had promised Lord Surya that he would always remain by Sugriv's side and protect him from all harm. Later, Hanuman was sent to Pampapur by his father Kesari to gain knowledge in politics. Here, he met Sugriv and they formed a lifelong friendship. There lived a monkey king named Rikshaviraj. He had two sons, Bali and Sugriv. Both the boys were very bright, handsome, and extremely fond of each other. The king loved them both very much. Sugriv respected Bali a lot. When Rikshaviraj died, the ministers chose Bali to become the next Vanar king of Kishkindha. Bali had gained a boon from Brahma that he would receive half the strength of his opponent in a battle, and thus making him invincible. Once, Bali suspected Sugriv of betraying him and banned him from his kingdom. He also forcibly kept Sugriv's wife and son with him. Sugriv and his followers fled Kishkindha.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.